everybody, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Daniel, and today I'm at the Chinatown gate in Bangkok, Thailand, and we're gonna go on a food crawl. So, gate's right behind me over there. Trying to get some good lighting. It's a little bit tough, but yeah. Sun's about to set. Street food carts are gonna be coming out, and definitely ready for a street food tour of Chinatown. So this is more of like a self-guided. I'm not going on a tour or anything. So been down here a couple of times before. Haven't been to Chinatown yet on this trip, so looking forward to it. So. Made my way down here, and I think we're gonna go for this guy right here. It's rice cake with sweet radish, what it looks like.
Smells good though.
Yeah.
Rice cake. I've never had a rice cake.
I'm gonna give this a shot. Wow, that's really good.
Quite nice, right?
Wow. Wow. No. I'm actually here with Niels.
What's up?
And we're Roman eating.
It's a nice table service here. Like.
Yeah, I'm just on the scooter right here.
I like it, man.
Oh. There's something sweet in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Should put some sauces on it. I don't know.
Oh. There's like some sweet soy and chili and it's pretty incredible. I like the scooter action here. That's the shot right here. So would you consider yourself a digital nomad too, or?
Question to me.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if it counts if you're just living here for 1 month, but I'm.
Yeah, of course. I mean, some people like live here, and then.
Yeah. No, I think so. It just feels silly saying that, you know. But yeah.
It kind of does when it's like.
What are you doing? Like, yeah, I am a digital nomad. It just sounds stupid.
Yeah. Oh.
But I guess I am. Yeah.
Wow, that rice cake with the it was like pickled radish and like a little bit of pork, and it was really amazing. That was actually the same one that I hit on the food tour 4 years ago. So I'm really glad she's still here because it was pretty delicious. So now we've turned off in an alleyway off of the main road, and not really sure what to find. Yeah, so Chinatown's definitely not for like the faint of heart. It's just crazy loud, smelly, like in a good way, and then it's just kind of chaotic. Just like walking around is a little bit of a pain in the butt. It's just crazy. Guess we're gonna figure out what the next meal's gonna be, or the next snack rather. It looks familiar. You want to go check it out?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, it's cool. It's real neon still, huh?
Yeah.
That's
I mean,
cool.
this is neon. That one.
Wow. So, according to Niels here, the reason to come down here with the camera is all the cool neon at night. So, looking forward to that a little later. It's still a little bright right now, but I just kind of darted into this side street here. Just gonna roam around and see what we got. Yeah, there like used to be like a dim sum guy over here that did like the salmai.
I would be
But
the person doing something.
I don't actually see him, but it was like
That's the
generations.
thing, like, all these places, I think they all like went bankrupt.
Well, it was a cart actually.
Okay.
But I don't see him, which is kind of sad because that guy's been doing it for like his grandfather started it or something.
Yeah, yeah.
So if he's gone, it's gonna be a bit sad, you know. Wow. Well, I guess the Salmai guy is gone, which is like a travesty, but that's a pretty cool alleyway. It looks like it's, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it maybe. Yeah, I mean the traffic is just insane. This is so crowded here. I mean like a non-stop just traffic and cars and tuk-tuk noises and people. Yeah, it's been nuts. Decided to hit a cafe and wait for it to get dark. Alright, so refreshment down, feel all recharged, the sun is set, and now Chinatown's gonna come alive, so it's gonna be pretty nice. You got the cool neon, all the lights, all the food. Let's go. It's like a beautiful chaos. I'm getting pretty hungry again, so. So what are we eating? What are we eating?
What are we eating? Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the place that you remember from last time? Because that place we had before was great.
Yeah, but most of the other ones I haven't seen yet, so
Something.
they look interesting to me. This one right here.
I think from up there, like that's probably from
I think I'm gonna try that.
shrimp and pork gyoza, 5 pieces, 5.
So they got some like little rice dumpling things. Looks pretty good. It was 5 for 50, so it's not bad. It's like 10 baht a piece, so 30 cents a pop. That's it's pretty cheap. Everything on the street is like insanely cheap. It's pretty crazy. So. So far figuring out where we're gonna eat this stuff is like a big deal. It's an issue because there's no tables with these little stalls here. So I don't know, we'll just keep walking a bit. Maybe we should go to like a sit-down place at some point, and then we can eat everything if we go to a real restaurant. You know? I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I think we're gonna Then we're gonna head to T&K Seafood because that's our only option to sit down, I think. Yeah, this tuk-tuk actually. Those things are cool. I love them. It's just intense. Luckily, it's not that hot. I think it's only like 31 right now. But the last time I was here, it was super hot and super humid, and it was just like horrible. It was so crowded, and the cars and the pollution, and I don't know. It's definitely worth checking out though for the experience. Yeah, it is. I think we can sit inside though, but that's like not part of the fun though. So we ordered up some small stuff. I got an oyster omelet and then some stir-fried pea sprouts. So yeah, should be pretty good. We're trying not to eat a massive meal, so we're not going deep with the whole, you know, a crab or seafood. Yeah, like we're not doing lobsters. But, you know. But what's cool is that we actually took the little street food, and now we're gonna eat it in here. So the plan worked. Good luck with that.
Yeah. Fucking hell. Reminds me a bit of
the green one's great.
yeah. Glass noodles.
So what'd you get, Niels?
I got the glass noodles with the prawn. With one prawn.
Yeah.
It was actually 3 in the photo, but I got 1.
That's
So
only
a bit
one
unlucky there.
Maybe there's gotta be
Maybe
more.
there's more. Yeah, maybe there's more. Maybe there's more coming. You know.
Look at the size of this thing. I mean, it's about $5, which is pretty nuts. I think there's like 20 oysters in it too. I've been craving oyster omelet, so. Wow, and it's like the epitome of freshness. It's crazy. I should definitely get some of that. I must say, like, this place is really good, actually. I was here like 4 years ago, and it was towards the end of the food tour, so maybe I wasn't that hungry, but it wasn't that impressive. But now I'm just having all these things, and it's like really, really, really good. The ingredients shine through, which is really interesting because usually it's kind of overshadowed by all the sauce, but definitely not here. How'd you do with the shrimp?
Well, this is the first time I'm eating a shrimp, like
Hey,
this
good
big.
job.
So, had a bit of trouble opening it. It went quite right, yeah.
There you go.
Then, this.
I think it's Neil 0 prawn 1.
I think they made it difficult because usually, like what you were saying, right? They have that.
It's cut, but you can't peel it. There you go, yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
cool. There we go.
So, that was a European doing shrimp.
Fuck you, man.
So, interesting point about meals here, peeling the shrimp is, I was once there too because I grew up in America and all our shrimp come peeled with no head. So,
Yeah.
it's not like unique to him, you know, but it's just, I've been in Asia a while, so I'm kind of used to it. But yeah, in the States, like, you don't peel anything. Like, it's just ready to go.
Do it in the kitchen, right?
It's like that in the West, mostly too. So it's kind of an interesting thing to see us struggling now.
I'm not big on seafood. I guess that's it.
All right, cool. We just finished up with T&K. I feel like it was a lot better than I remembered it. I mean, we got some good stuff. Like Neil's got this like shrimp and glass noodles thing, which was like pretty incredible. And my like stir-fried pea sprouts and the oyster omelet were like shockingly good. And the portion sizes were massive. Like compared to like Sukhumvit, if you get an oyster omelet, it's gonna be like twice the price. And yeah, so this place is special, and I feel like because it's like not that crowded right now. I mean, it's not even. It might seem kind of crazy, but it's at maybe like 10% capacity compared to like when I was here in 2018. I mean, you couldn't even walk. It was like that crowded. So this is definitely a nice change, and I think the T&K experience was a lot more like authentic, or the way it should have been back in the day before it was overran by tourists. So definitely now is the time to come to Bangkok because, yeah, all those entry requirements are keeping the masses away, you know. Look at that street. It's so cool, man. It's like Chinatown, Las Vegas or something. All the neon, all the lights. It's pretty awesome. I mean, even look at this neon thing over here. And there's Neil's. Yeah, it's crazy. We're gonna get some dessert, which is basically like a it's like a Chinese donut, but like Thai style. So you have like a pandan sauce to dip them in. So yeah. I want to say it's this one over here, so I'm gonna give it a shot. So this one, you may have seen, it's pretty famous. I spaced it out so much, I forgot to get my change. Yeah, this is a popular card here. Look at all the people.
There you go.
Hey, do you like when that chick just like cut in front of you?
Yeah.
Smooth.
Yeah, if you speak Thai, you can cut the line.
Yeah, I don't know where to go.
Those are the rules.
Yeah, I guess they just don't set anything up, huh?
I guess this is my favorite picture.
Alright. Woo! We got some nice stools now. Dan custard. I think this shop is small. Maybe the recipe changed or something. It used to be like fluffier, but it had like a ammonia taste to it. So they use ammonia to make it puffy, but it's just pretty straightforward. A dip with the pandan and
That's not bad.
it's pretty good. What are your thoughts?
It's alright, man.
Yeah.
A bit greasy.
I think also because they're not super fresh.
Yeah.
They're
Oh,
like,
yeah, they're just in there.
yeah. So it wasn't a fresh batch. I remember these being
It's
like,
popular though. Like, a lot of people.
yeah. Well, it's Michelin recommended. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, some hit and miss. Like some of the stuff I remember was like not so good, ended up being really good. Like T&K was actually way above expectations. It was so much better than the last time I was here. But then this place, it was kind of okay. I'm actually sitting in front of them still, so I'm talking very quietly. But yeah, so all right, everybody. that's gonna do it for the tour and food crawl of Chinatown in Bangkok. So thanks for joining me. Ate a lot of good stuff, or I ate a lot of good stuff, and yeah, so it was kind of a mixed bag. Like I was saying, some of the things ended up being a lot better than they actually were, and then the stuff I remember being really good was kind of like, So I don't know, like a lot of things are different now. So it's, you know, it's kind of like if you're going for food places, you might have to do some new exploring when you travel into the world, because a lot of places aren't there anymore, or they've changed their process or whatever. But yeah, so cool. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next video.